the simple way, if you say Datadog is a monitoring service, yeah, it's a service. It's not a tool actually. It's a service. So the moment we say it's a service, uh, you know that it should be on a cloud or somewhere. It should be already running, just like a Gmail is a service
Right.
and WhatsApp is a service. So you install the app and you start using it. So same way, Datadog is also you cannot set up in your environment. It's a service, you have to use it. There's a web service. You have to log into the website and then you have to use it. So that's a Datadog. Now is for what? So Datadog has been developed for monitoring purpose. Primarily, it was designed for uh, monitoring the infrastructure, which can be a cloud or you know platform as a service, software as a service, or whatever it is. But now Datadog is offering observability functionality. Now, what is your observability? That means here, what I'm trying to say. So, observability means not only the infrastructure monitoring, but also log monitoring and also APM monitoring, also synthetic monitoring, UX monitoring, security monitoring. So basically, in today's world, we want to have one single tool or platform for every sort of monitoring requirement, starting for the infra, cloud, APM, log, synthetic, UX, security, dashboarding, alerting, matrices. So Datadog is on the same line actually. So nowadays every tools are being used in this industry, like a Datadog, Elastic, Splunk, App Dynamics, or many more, a New Relic and all. So they all wants to develop a services or tools platform for every sort of